Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, game version, active mods, and whether you have admin access. Once confirmed, open the in-game console or navigate to the saved config file. This is where you will change values. Next, identify the Tether item or entity ID and note the current distance number so you can revert if needed. You will act now. Back up the file, enable cheats if needed, and position a tethered creature to test changes without risking progress. Now edit the tether distance parameter directly. Look for names like tether distance or rope length in the config. Change the number to your desired range. Use integers or decimals as the file requires, because incorrect types can break behavior. Once edited, save and reload the map or server instance to apply changes. Then, immediately test with the same creature and anchor point. Observe for clipping, lag, or unintended physics. If behavior is stable, you're ready to finalize. Finish by documenting the exact change and creating a restore point so you can undo if needed. If you run into problems, tethers snapping, physics glitches, or server errors, revert to the backup immediately and retry with smaller increments. This narrows the safe range. Also inspect mod conflicts and clear cache, then restart the server. One key troubleshooting tip. If odd behavior persists, reset the value to default, confirm baseline stability, and increment slowly until you reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.